So here's a little update on the 40 Plymouth. I've been working on the driver's side quarter panel behind the door, which is finally done now, which we thought was just going to be just like what you see here. But I think, as you saw in the previous short, there was a significant amount of work to be done on the inside. Basically the two body mounts here. This one, and then there's one in the back right there, had to be replaced. The sill from basically where I'm sitting right here, right there, all the way back to that rear body mount had to be replaced. And the way Plymouth put these together, there's several layers. It looks as though I kind of welded this on top of that on top of this, but short of just butt welding a couple things, that's the only thing I've varied from, like right here. Most of the stuff I tried to replicate the way that Plymouth put these together. We've got the B-pillar welded into the floor and a new mount here. We've got it welded to the side, and then hopefully I can show up underneath. So hopefully you can see that. The whole sill was replaced all the way forward. And then we finally did get the, like I said, this quarter panel put in here today. Here is the rear section of the body mount that I took out. So that was in the very back. It's quite crusty, and if you can see, there's a whole bunch of layers. They put multiple steps, the body mount, the support for the body mount, then the floor rolled over the top of it, and then the outside sill was welded on top of that. So that's why it kind of looks like that in the inside. So the other thing I've got to do, these supports, this is a business coupe, so I think in the back there was like a structure behind the seat. Somebody's hacked some of this away, so gonna try and put this back in place and straighten it out. There's a piece bent there, gonna fix that up. And then we're gonna start working on the other side. So you can see floor, you can see light through the floor. There's a couple holes there, but it really, besides those holes, it doesn't really look as though it's going to be as challenging or as extensive a repair as what we did over here on the driver's side. So anyway, follow along. We're going to keep on doing the shorts on the 40 Plymouth. Hope you enjoy, and you're having a great summer. Everybody take care.